Is it on? Oh yes, it's on. Hi everybody! Paul's not here today, so I'm gonna box his Christmas present right here. Let me see. That's already over. Now finally I have the real big 4-armored Unicorn Gundam from Bandai Spirits. And my god, this looks so big. But the problem is, it's too big I can't even open this thing. And if I would open this thing, this will fall me out and I will probably die. So I guess I'll do unboxing. The end.
The end, my left foot. Get over here, you little.
I'm sorry.
Get over here, you. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Let's get it away. So here, finally, this is what I've been waiting for quite a while. Like, ever since they announced it, and I thought, yeah, this would be a good time to actually get it, especially because on the Christmas day. So, yep, here we go. The real great full armor Unicorn Gundam. This is my Christmas gift from my mom and dad, and I'm really happy that my mom they got this for me. So thank you much, mom and dad. I really, really appreciate this gift. I will make sure this kit will turn out good on my shelf, and you know, for the years to come, basically. Yeah. So every gun has a story. So let's put it that way. Okay. So let's go to unboxing. So yeah, this box art. It's really, really interesting how they took the. It's kind of strange because you can see the shield of the back of the unicorn's head is been blocked by the light, so it's like very dark on that corner. So it was really interesting. I really like that concept where they make it look you know, in that color, which is not color. I mean, it's in the shape in the dark basically. That's pretty interesting. So the cycle fan, the eyes are glowing really brightly. That's pretty interesting. But yeah, let's go to unboxing. Yeah, that beam jelly. Holy crap, that looks really nice. All right, let's go to unboxing. Yeah, I know I have the whoops, the backdrope's falling. It's not good. All right, there we go. Alright, as I was saying, I do have the high grade version of the Form Unicorn, the red color version basically, but by myself, well, the high grade is getting a little bit tiresome. How about I just get the real grade instead, basically. So yeah, I got a real grade instead. You guys probably the review one. This is basically the real grades. The MS joint, which is basically the inner frame of the unicorn, and all the gimmicks here. The more weapons you get, and then the marking stickers, and then the stuff you can do in this kit, and this what this guy would look like straight out of the box on street build basically. And the side, it's number 30 in the It's really surprising to see how far the Rugas have gone so far for the past 8 years. Like I remember when the real grade R70 came out. That was really like 8 years. Like they have gone so far, and they're not stopping. Yeah, on the side, you can focus, there we go. On the side, you got the form unicorn mode, and the one in destroy mode, and, you know, more specifically in the back shot. Doesn't say how much it costs, just like the newer kits, but I remember correctly, I think this costs about 5,200 yen, or 5,400 yen, I can't remember. I'll put a tile here, just to show you guys, what's the price. Oh god. Alright, let's go to the box. First back, we got the E1 runner, which is all the white. That goes on cows. The shield, that's the back of the legs. I'm not sure where that part goes. That's the part of the head, definitely. And the cheeks of the unicorn. And I believe that's the part of the chest, maybe. And in between, there's the cycle frame. The A1 plate is all the cycle frame, which is in the clear green and ABS plastic. On the back, we've got the D1 plate, which is all the other parts, skirts, like the hand covers, the shield, and then like some of the arm and the legs. The SC plate, which is all the parts to make the beam Gatling guns. I'm not sure if they'll rotate, but I'll try to check. I'm not sure immediately, but we'll see how it goes. So saying, yeah, you get 3 FC plates, which I believe make up the Gatling guns. Yeah, the C plate, which is the V-fins. You have 3 choices. You can choose in fix and destroy unicorn mode, fix and destroy mode, or you transform mode. probably gonna use the transformer one because, yeah, if I don't, it's not like the Massacre where you just plug and plug it out. This one's like more of like you know, it's fixed. Once you put it in there, you can't put it on anymore. So I'll use the transforming one. I have to bend, just check. Nope, it's not bent. So yeah, we're good to go. None of them bent, so that's pretty good. And yeah, the back is the F plate, which is all the off-white parts basically. And yeah, the marking stickers, that's a lot. Wow, I did not expect that to be this big. I mean, it's called full armor. Why did you not expect that? I remember buying the high grade full armor unicorn in the Strawberry Red color version. Now, I thought that was really bad, but no, actually no, I can't remember. I think the worst one I've tried is the Zeta. Zeta has a lot of stickers. No, actually no. I can't remember. Forget it. But this is for sure. You have a lot of stickers. That's for sure. Going on mostly on the weapons. The Gundam, fair amount. Nothing special. And then you got the I-1 plate, which basically some of the weapons and parts of the Gundam. That's a beam mag one definitely. Parts of the bazooka. I know this part's not going to be used because they're giving a new part for the whole missile pods basically. And where did that go? Yeah, it goes here. You got two D2, A2, and E2 plates, which are basically the extra shields, basically. For the you know the former unicorn has two more shields aside of the one. The B runner, which is the inner frame, the advanced image drawing, the cycle frame, like half gray, half green. So it's very neat. On the back, we've got the H runner, which is a multicolor runner. That's for the sensors on the head. That's the vents and details on the cows, the back skirts. I'm not sure where that goes. Yeah, the navy blue and the normal blue for the feet and some part of the backpack. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, an I2 plate, which is more parts of the weapons, basically. The beam sabers, yeah, the real grade style beams, basically. It's basically massacre size thickness on the peg, but high grade size on the length. Yeah, that's not warp. That's not good. FA2 plate, which is like the new parts for the former unicorn. I believe that those goes on. Those, I think I think those are the legs for the fuel tanks, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the new parts of the bazooka, basically that's to help hold the missile pods on the bazooka, grenade launcher, and the parts for the fuel tanks. Where did that go? No, I can't remember. I'll put them there. The multi-cut runner, that's for the fuel tanks, the missile pods, and then the effect part for the beam jar, that's the FB2 plate. And the missile pods and the thrust radius. Wow, that is one nice. That's one nice looking effect part for the beam javelin. And then the FB arm plate, same thing except now the effect is replaced the cycle frame and parts for the hybrid beam javelin. Pretty neat. And the last bag, we've got the more parts for the former parts. Basically, you got mostly of the frame to that holds the weapons in the backpack, the hybrid beam javelin, and more parts of the weapons. On the back, we've got the joints of the unicorn gun in ABS plastic. Alright, that's about the contents. Now let's look at the manual. Yep, as expected for a real grade, as a very big kit, you do get a very thick manual. So, unicorn. Oh god, it's like. No, I just want like then somebody. Okay, let's forget about that. Yeah, as I was saying, basically, construction is just similar, very similar to the original unicorn, just that you get more parts. Basically, I'm not sure if whether the new parts make it back heavy or feel more fragile, but we'll see when I build this. But as a video, it's very close to my examinations. So no, sorry, crap, brain farts. It's very close to my school reopening, so I don't think I'll be building this guy immediately. I have to find like the next holiday to actually build this, if I can, basically, because I have internship going on in like after my second year, basically. yeah, this is really amazing. I'm really happy that my mom and dad got this. I'm really happy. Like this is one of like my so-called I'm a naughty boy, but the thing is, mom and dad, I know I'm a naughty boy, but you know I really appreciate that you guys got this for me, because I promise I'll do well myself. Okay, yeah. So that's an unboxing of the real grade Full Armor Unicorn Gundam. Well, it's a pretty big kit. I mean, it's small size. The unicorn is like a tall Musu, but with all the full armor parts, that's gonna be a lot of parts, basically. Yeah. So I'm really excited. Even though I don't think I build this immediately, but I'll see what I can do. It's not fitting in. It's not fitting. Yeah, think that no, it doesn't fit that way. Never mind. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, I'll see if I can get this guy building, but not immediately. But you have to see what if I got time, basically. But yeah, that's alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching this special unboxing of the real grade Full Armor Unicorn Gundam. And stay tuned for my videos. Peace out.